Hello students, welcome in Bansal Classes Bangalore. I am your mathematics mentor Arjun Veer Tyagi. Now I will explain today one question which is a part of JEE Mains 2025. This question belongs to the chapter of Quadratic. Now attention please, be connected with Bansal Classes Bangalore. Now, in this question, if f of x is equal to p x square plus qx plus small r, where capital D is given as a discriminant of the equation, then we have to calculate the condition when d less than 0. My dear students, after reading the question, after understanding the question, now I will explain the solution of this question. As we know, the discriminant of any quadratic equation, you should understand, that is capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. According to this condition, because the equation is given like that. Now please can you tell me what is the b? B here is q. Minus 4, what is the capital A? A is small p. And what is C? That is R. Now here p is the coefficient of x square. We know very well p cannot be 0. P is a real number, and real number are of three kinds. Either real number can be negative or 0 or positive. But according to the question, P cannot be 0. So finally we have only two remedies. Either P can be negative or P can be positive. Now I will discuss the all two cases one by one. Now, it is the case first when P positive. You know very well, when the coefficient of x square is positive, then curve has the nature of concave upward. And concave upward means concavity. When P will be positive, when P is positive, when P has the nature of the concave upward, when P belongs to the nature of concavity, then graph will be like this, like this. It is a curve. We have one line. A relation between curve and line can be of three kinds. This line can cut this curve at 2 points. This line can touch this curve at 1 point. And it may be this line cannot cut, cannot touch this curve. In this case, discriminant greater than 0. In this case, discriminant equal to 0. In this case, discriminant less than 0. I spoken you earlier, when P is positive, then graph will be like this. So P positive, so P positive, so P positive. As you know, my dear students, this line is not a simple line. It is a number line. This line is not a normal line. This line is not a simple line. This line belongs to number line. This line belongs to number line. Right now, on a number line, I will choose one unknown quantity x like this. If this quantity is x, I will draw perpendicular from here to there. Then a perpendicular distance called as f of x. As per the sign convention, distance will be counted as a positive if they are above x-axis. As per the rule, distances will be counted negative if they are below the x-axis. Now you can see here f of x is a distance which is above the x-axis. So we can say, my dear students, f of x greater than 0. Here p is greater than 0. Now we should read again the question. When expression is given like this, then what will be condition for d less than 0? For d less than 0, there are two conditions. My dear students, for d less than 0, f of x should be positive, p is a positive. In mathematics, there is a no meaning of single letter. In mathematics, there is a no meaning of single number. F of x positive, p is positive. If we will multiply p and fx, p positive, f of x positive, when two positive will be multiplied, then resultant will becomes positive. So condition for t less than 0, p into f of x positive in the box. My dear students, for such kind of easier solution, be connected with Bansal Classes Bangalore. The link is given below. Thank you so much.